I was just running through the salary component for the state of Nagaland. And the perception with our, especially teachers, and then those people, officers, staff, manning, education department, officers, government of Nagaland is not very friendly to them. But I will tell you, we are the most favored department amongst all the departments. Are you aware we have 82 demands for grants? Let's say, let's say education, police, maybe district administration, maybe public agriculture. We have 82 demands for grants. I have just ran the issue, the total of the salary component. We are consuming 26%, more than 26% of the salary component, school education. With a 20 or little more than 20,000 of employees, including your non-teaching staff. Last year it was 20,900 something. Massive component this year. But then we are actually eating the chunk of government's salary component, and we said the government is not favorable to education. That perception has to be out. I think we should consider we are the most favored department by the government of Nagaland. If you look into the salary component, because money will go. It's not nothing. You run the figures, you go and check what you call the finances, what is done out in the project, you will find so. And additionally, there's a 6.5% increase of your salary this year. I was just writing the budget this morning. So now we have to, I think we moved that idea that government of Nagaland is not very friendly education department. That has to go. Now we have to think what is our output. If you have output, then I think so there will be some changes. But if we are spending so much, roughly we are spending, last year the expenditure of the government was, I think a little less than 19,000 crores for the school education department. Salary no. So 1853.89. This year they have increased to 19,000 plus. So please let us not talk ill of the government also. Government also from the human beings, so they'll feel the pinch when they feel that we pay you this much, you are not giving it out food, definitely they'll issue in time. In fact, we should be very thankful to the government, because in spite of our poor result, which I have told you, government has not taken any action against any of us, but I think this has to go. There should be reward and punishment. You have to go back to your own model. If you do well, you should be rewarded. If you don't do good, the same should apply, you should be punished. I think this kind of, we cannot be always nice. We have to talk the hard facts now. What is to be done, I think we have to, since now the machinery of the school education department is here today, we will have to discuss our issues and then find ways and means how to give suggestions to the government also.